Obutumwa bwa Mama Janet Kata Museveni buresirwe Minisita w'Ebyobwegyesa bw'orurengo rw'ahaiguru Honorable Dr. John Chrysostom Muyingo kandi omujwekiire aha mukoro gw'okushoza ebigezo bya YouthTab eby'omwaka 2024 aha kitebe kikuru kya YouthTab ahari Kyambogo omuri Kampala.
People say government ekoze that what has the government done? Please tell them this building is government of Uganda money. The design and everything was done by Ugandans. And the government has put up so many. You go all over the country. Go to Eastern Uganda. Even our technical schools.
Ogu nasima baziro kufayo bakahereza abana babo kandi bakakora ebigezo ebi nangwa bakahika nta kubika. Atyo niko kushaba eminyeto baba bari amashomero n'ingaheru y'amashomero okutebe bayegesibwa omunkora.
Irangaka okwebaza nnyo abazadde abasomesa ba principals olw'omutindo gutuuseeko kubanga edda awuliranga ebigezo babidye kati ebigezo tebyabidde kuno ebigezo byabadde byakuumiddwa bulungi ate abaana bangi abeewandiisa buli babegeeri bali tebakomawo okukola bigezo.
Kandi wali mukuru w'ekitongole kya YouthTab ekya Uganda Vocational and Technical Assessment Board ekitongole kiri kuvunaanizibwa abibuuzo by'emikono Onesimus Oyesigye arabwire bakuru b'amatendekero agatakehandikiise n'ekitongole eki.
Abaana ambarwa mu masomero gutandukanye n'amasoko konka twasize abaana bakurungi mu parish abana bacu kandi bakozire kinana kikumba biwezo
Chairperson wa TVET Council Allen Kajina nagira ngo bonka akakiiko behire yo kurebeka ngu abo bona abari kushomesibwa eby'emikono bakora kurungi.
Our success as a council will depend heavily on the meaningful involvement and integration of the TVET stakeholders through the process of regulation, curriculum development, delivery, and assessment. YouthTab plays a central role in this effort, especially through its mandate to develop curriculum in consultation with sector skills expert committees.
Ekitongole eki kikashutamisa abeegi bari kwingana emitwaro 3,809 obwo abaishiki bari omutwaro gumwe 2,211 kandi aboojo bari omutwaro gumwe na 9 rushanju nshanju na 9. Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano Watayari West omuri Kampala.